Hello world, here is BITI, your Bitcoin trading informant, and here is the daily update for Bitcoin. The big news: altcoin season 2021 booming as Bitcoin dominance at 1-year low. So we will check this now, guys. Here is the fear and greed index, and we have still greed in the market, 75 points here, and yesterday 75 points also. 71 points greed, last week 72 points greed, and last month 76 points extreme greed in the market. Here is the coin market cap. What's going on? Here you can see on the upper side the Bitcoin dominance is momently on 55.3%. And yes, this dominance was nearly 70%, now it's on 55%, and the dominance of Bitcoin is going down and the altcoins are booming momently. We can take a look about here, coin market cap. What's going on? Bitcoin is going up a little bit with 1%. In 7 days, it's going sideways, a little bit down, but sideways. You can see it here on this red chart. But now, guys, Ethereum is going up with 2.5%. In the week, 15%. Binance coin is going up with 8.4%. In the week, 32%. XRP is going up 40% for the day. In the week, 71%. Polkadot is going up a little bit in the week, 27%. ADA is going up 7% on the daily, but look at this, it's going down a little bit, 1.3%. Uniswap is going up a little bit, 5% for the day, 9% in the week. Litecoin is going up 14% in the day, 19% in the week. Chainlink 8% for the day, 21% for the week. Bitcoin Cash 12%, 26% in the week. XLM also going up 13% in the week, 31%. So you see, most coins here are going up and up and up in the weekly, and this is really momently a really nice altcoin season. What coin is the biggest winner of the day? The coin is named Bitcoin Gold with 77%, and look at the week, it's going up 123% in the week. Bitcoin Gold is the biggest winner here for 24 hours. Also really nice, XRP 40% for the day, it's going up in the week, 71%, and Phantom is also going up with 22%. These are the three biggest winners of the daily. And the biggest loser coins: BitTorrent going down 26%, Dant is going down 20%, and WazirX is going down with 19.17%. So very interesting, guys. Before we start, this is my live stream, streaming live daily, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This is my Bitcoin trading informant live stream. Momently have a bad internet here, so sorry, it's not full HD. Now it's full HD, and you can see here on the live stream everything you need to trade, guys. Here is Bitcoin. Here's the 15-minute chart with 360p. It's a really bad picture here. Let me check it. Here is the 15-minute chart of Bitcoin. You can see here buy and sell signals. You can see here the ribbon band and the Fibonacci and all you need. Here is the 1-hour chart, also the 4-hour chart on the downside. You can see here, should you buy now or should you sell now in 50 minutes? You can see how many guys are totally long or short, how many are buying or selling. You can see a quick overview on the right downside of the altcoins. All are green, or the most are green. On the down left side, you have a very nice thing. It's accurate trade. You can see how much momently buying or selling here with 100, 200,000. You can see this here. A really nice chat community here. A lot of nice guys. Thank you so much, guys, for supporting me. My last week top spender, Subcritically, #1. #2 is Rohit's Rage. Thank you very much for supporting me. My last week top 3 cheerer is Klima, place #1, Troll, place #2, and Mav Matthew, place #3. Thank you, guys, for supporting your BITI. And the big boss of this channel is Cromlange. Hi, greetings out there to you, big boss. I make special analysis for my big boss. If he would like that I make something, he's a VIP on the channel, and he has now 2,569 life points, and every donation here is hurting the boss. So now let's start. Here is the big overview for Bitcoin. What's going on with Bitcoin? You can see it here, the daily time frame. We have a buy and we have a strong buy on the moving averages, and the oscillators are telling us neutral on 4 hours. We have a buy, a strong buy, and neutral oscillators, and on the 1 hour also we have buy and a strong buy. On 50 minutes we have a neutral, and a sell. So 50 minutes is telling us maybe it's going down a little bit. The bigger time frame is Okay, it's going to the upside. So let's check this one here. This is the daily chart. We will take a look about this a little bit later. This is the 1 hour chart, and this is the picture I drew on my last videos. You can see it here. This is the possible cup and handle. And yes, guys, we are playing out perfectly momently this cup and handle. This is the cup, you can see it. This is the green line here. This is the handle, this red channel here. It's going to the downside, to the upside. And yes, we saw a breakout. We saw yesterday a breakout of this handle to the upside. And I told you guys, if we will see the breakout to the upside, this would be a very, very bullish sign, because it's possible to play out this cup and handle pattern here. We have a target to the outside, to the upside, and this is on 68,000. This is our target if we can break out this cup and handle, and we need some things now, guys, to break out. We need for the first to break this important thing ever. That's the 100% Fibonacci at 60,000. We need to break over this 60,000 baseline here of this cup. If we can break out, we can moon to the upside. First target 66,000. That's the 161.8 Fibonacci line, and then the big target 68,000 to the upside. Also, we have one thing we have maybe to watch, guys. This is a very important thing. We have to watch maybe inverse shoulder head shoulder. I told you this also on my last videos, and it is not so important for me now if it is a inverse shoulder head shoulder, or if it is a cup and handle. Why it's not so important, let me show you. Maybe this is a shoulder, this is the head, and this is the shoulder. We still have the same baseline here as the cup and handle. So if it is an inverse shoulder and shoulder, it's also a cup and handle momently. So we have to take a look about these things, guys. It does not matter if it is inverse shoulder head shoulder or the cup and handle. We have the same target to the outside, 68,000. This is our main target for the breakout. So the MACD is momently bearish. You can see it. The blue line is under the brown line on the 1 hour chart. That's a bearish thing. Let's zoom in a little bit more here on this 1 hour chart. I hate this damn lines here. So here we are. Okay, we saw the breakout of the downtrend. We saw the breakout of the handle. Perfect. We have a long position since here. Okay, for sure, because this is now a green ribbon band. It's a bullish ribbon band, and we are going to the upside. So this is a bullish thing. We are now fighting in this ribbon band. The bad thing, the really bad thing is now this candle momently, guys. Look at this. The big candle wick to the upside. That's a very bearish sign. And in my opinion, it's very possible to come down here more and more again because of this big wick to the upside. We have also the MA21 here, this yellow fat line, as a resistance for the moment. So we must watch this also. We have some problems momently, you can see it. And we have to break out here. That's very, very important on the 1 hour chart. Let's check now the 1 day chart. The clear 1 day chart, nothing here, no lines, no indicators, only the chart picture. Every candle of Bitcoin is here 1 day. Bitcoin versus US dollar or versus USDT. For the first, EMA ribbon band. What's going on with this? It's our support. It's holding. You can see it. We are touching it again yesterday. It's holding for the moment. The good thing is no big candles. And the best thing is, look at this, guys. Big wicks to the downside means on the daily maybe a nice pump to the upside. That's a very nice thing. You have always to watch this, guys. Big wicks to the downside is always a good thing for a pump to the upside maybe. MA21, what's going on with this? Yes, yesterday we spiked perfectly on it. It's a nice support, also working as a support here, so everything is fine for Bitcoin. From the downside is coming the EMA 200, and that's momently on, let me check, 35,500. This is the biggest support momently ever, this EMA 200 from the downside. So let's start with some simple things here. Let's start with the parallel channel from the downside. Maybe this point is nice to this point, or let me check it. Let's turn off the ribbon band. It's not necessary momently, only this also not necessary. We will check this one here from this point over this point. This is our uptrend working better. So we are in the big uptrend on the daily chart. We are over this middle line. You know the middle line is working as a support for now. This is very, very nice. and we can make a line, a middle line here to this support. So from here to here and here, this is our nice green support, and it's holding for the moment. You can see it, we are touching it, but we have no confirmed closing candle under this support. So it's so important from the daily chart that we stay over this middle line and that we stay also over this MA21, this line here, guys, very important. But for now, we can see we are building momently a down channel from here to here and to here. And yes, we are still in this downtrend channel on the big uptrend. And as long as we are over this midline, everything is fine. We need now to break out from this downtrend channel. And to look at this, we will go deeper. But before we go deeper, let's check some indicators. What's going on with the MAZD here? Let's check this MAZD. Oh, I have to remove some. Okay, no problem. Remove the indicators. And now let's check the indicators. MAZD, what's going on here on the daily chart? Ooh, the MACD is fighting here. Look at this. Green, red. It's going sideways momently here and momently. Oh, it's not good. The MACD is bearish. The blue line is under the brown line. Momently, it's spiking down again. So a very hard fight on the daily chart here for Bitcoin. You can see it's going sideways for sure. And you can see it also here on the MACD. It's a very, very hard fight. What is telling us the RSI? Let's check the relative strength index. Also very important here. And yes, the relative strength index is telling us the same story. We are on 56%. We are not overbought. We are not oversold. This is fine. But look at this. This is still my big problem I have with the RSI from the highest side to the downside. Like this here, we are going down with the RSI, and with the Bitcoin price, it's going up. And that's a bearish divergence, and we have to take a look about this. In my opinion, we may fall down really hard in the near time. It's really possible. Maybe we first will come up to our target 67,000. It's possible, or 68,000. But I think maybe in the near future we will fall down here. But okay, that's another story. We have to keep that in our mind. What's going on in the 4-hour chart with Bitcoin? 4-hour chart. We have this picture here. We have this big support to the downside. The down coming trend channel, this red one is the same one, and we have to break it. And now we have some targets we can watch. This point, in my opinion, is a very important target, 59,700. We have to break this. We have to break out from this channel. We have to break 59,700. The next big thing is we have to break out 60,000. That's the next big thing we have to watch. And if we can break out, our cup and handle will work out to the upside, 67, 68,000, very possible. On the 4-hour chart, we have a bullish MACD. You can see it here. Blue line is over the brown line. That's very nice. The biggest thing we have to watch now is this. We have to break out to the upside on the 4-hour chart. What is going on with the ribbon band here on the 4-hour chart? Let's check this one. That's the wrong ribbon band. I need this from Domenico. Here it is. And I don't need this one. So here is the ribbon band, and yes, a nice long position since 29th of March. We had a nice long position here. We have a green ribbon band, and this ribbon band is working as a nice support. Also now on the 4-hour chart, it's working as a really nice support. Guys, very nice is this one here. So let's check the 15-minute charts. What's going on? Not the 50-second chart. Oh my God, the 15-minute chart. What's going on there? So here we are. The 15-minute chart is looking like this here. And you can see some things, guys, they are very important. On the 15-minute chart, MACD is bullish. Blue line is over the brown line. But look at this. We are building here a next triangle. From this here, maybe it was, yes, this one here. From this one here, I make it yellow. From the upside to the downside, and from the downside, look at this here. Yes, it's working really nice to the upside. Guys, we are forming momently a really hard next triangle on a 15-minute chart. And now it's very important what's going on with this triangle. Can we break it out to the upside, or will we break down to the downside? You know, the 15-minute charts are not so important for us as the 1-hour or the 4-hour chart, but we need to watch this also for the next short terms. And this is telling us a really nice direction if it's going to the up to the downside. If we break to the downside, guys, we have a next target here to watch. This is this target here on 53,000. And if we will break up to the upside, guys, we have also to watch the next target. Let me check this one. We clone this here to the upside. And if we can break out maybe here on this point, we have a nice target to the upside like this point here on 63,300. That's for the short term for breaking out this target. So we can trade the 15-minute chart also as the 1-hour chart or the 4-hour chart. If you are trading the higher time frames, these patterns are working better as the 15-minute time frames. Greetings to Higgy. So, okay, that's this picture now, guys. We have to watch. Also, we need to watch one thing, and I have turned it off. Let me check this one here. Is it here? Yes. Guys, that's very important. That's the 1-hour chart, and this is our Fibonacci. We have to watch these Fibonacci lines here. They are very important. This Fibonacci line is normally on 78.6. That's the golden pocket. That's our good and nice support, 58,000. That's holding momently. And we need to hold this one to go higher from here. You can see it like this here. We can make this also on the 1-hour chart, this triangle here. So you can see this triangle is going down like this. Let me check it like this here. It's not so important. And that's the same picture as I showed you here on the 50-minute chart. We need a breakout of the triangle or a breakdown. So you can try some things, guys. If you're trading on the 1-hour chart, you can also try it if you're going down here to this point to catch this point, to make a buy position here on this point. It's always better to buy on a downside as on the upside, not buying here. That's not a confirmed breakout. No candle here was a confirmed breakout. This was very dangerous, okay, for sure. But we have to try this. This looking like Mickey Mouse, okay? Here it is, the Mickey Mouse. Okay, no guys, seriously. If you're coming down here, this is a nice point for a rebuy. If you are not in a trade, you can use this for a rebuy and you can set a stop loss here under this buy position here. So maybe we are coming down again. Maybe we are coming under this Fibonacci and we are coming to this point, and this is a very nice position. Let me show you, 57,200. So it's possible to set a buy position on 57,200 and to hope for a bounce from this support line to the upside again, and here to bounce through this line and to go to the upside. This would be a very nice long position. So this is the way I am mostly trading. I am trying to search this things here, or this thing here. I'm trying to search this thing here. This was a nice point to go long, 56,400. This was this Fibonacci line. This was also a nice position to go long, and this also. I am always trying to catch the downside of this stuff and not the upside. Guys, that's the big picture we have to watch. We have to break out. We have to use this cup and handle for a breakout to the upside. We have targets to the upside. We have targets to the downside. We have all we need. Momently, it's not the best thing to trade Bitcoin. Momently, it's better to trade the altcoins. But if you're trading Bitcoin, this is the perfect thing you have to watch, guys. So thank you very, very much for watching. You can join, and I hope you will join this live stream, Bitcoin Trading Informant, on Twitch and YouTube, streaming live 24 hours, 7 days a week, with all the things you need, with all the buy and sell indicators and so on you need. I will draw in this triangle here also, and you can check this here also. Guys, thank you very much for watching, and very important, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. I wish you make millions out there with your trade, and guys, I hope we see us tomorrow. Greetings, yours BT, your Bitcoin Trading Informant. Bye bye.